Hi, welcome to Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao. In the next few videos, I would love to share with you some quick and easy sewing hacks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a magnetic pincushion. It is very handy, it's very cute and easy to make. So let's get started. Okay, what we need is a ruler, a marker, a pair of scissors, and of course your fabric scissors, some glue here, a little piece of cardboard, a tuna can, any size you want. I have this little size here, which is perfect. A piece of fabric. We're gonna cut it into the size later. And another piece of fabric for the cushion, and also I'm going to show you how to cut it in a circle. You know, something, it is your desire. You might use the lace, or in this case I'm using my pom-pom here to decorate the cushion, and some sponge and a magnet, and we're ready to go. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the magnet into a can, let it sit there for now, and now pick the fabric, the one that you decided to put around the can, and I'm going to use this. Okay, just wrap it around, and here when we get to the end of this end of the fabric, you just leave 1 centimeter extra for the overlap, and we're going to cut it here. And don't forget, we're going to mark it first here. Make it easier. Use the marker, and here the first cut will be right here. And after that, make sure that you leave 1 or 2 centimeter extra on the top of the can, and from here is the bottom. 1 more extra on the bottom of the can, and we're going to mark it here. Right there. Now we're going to do the cutting. Here is the end. Just cut it right there. And the bottom. I cut it a little bit too. Okay, right here is the mark. Okay, now put the glue on the outside of the can. And use a little piece of cardboard, even it up slightly. Not all round, because we're going to work to the other end bit by bit. So we start from here. Make sure that you put the fabric in the middle, and slightly move your finger. Make sure it's all flat. Okay, now put more glue on the can. Move it around. And we're going to do this until we get to the end of the fabric there. Okay, here's the end. Now we're going to put some glue inside the can, and then we're gonna fold the fabric inside. And be careful, it's really sharp inside here. Try to pull it as much as you can, but not too hard because you're going to pull the whole fabric inside the can. Okay. Now we're going to keep doing that until we cover the edge, the whole area here. Ooh, a bit of messy. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to move to the bottom, do the same as the top of the can. This is going to be a little bit tricky because we're going to fold bit by bit here. And the reason we are doing this because you want this end flat and nice. So we're going to keep doing this till we get to the end over here. Now I'm going to add more glue here to make the bottom nice and flat. Just a little bit right inside here. Okay. Press it on for a while. It's very nice. Okay, now we're gonna make a cushion. So leave this can right here for now. So how to make a circle? Just grab your a piece of fabric and then fold it to the corner like this. And fold it one more time, find the middle here. Okay, and make sure that the point are lined up. 2 points are lined up. Okay, one more time, right there. Okay, now grab your can again and put the edge right on the corner. And from here to here or to here or whatever, measure from the edge of the can out 4 centimeters. So I'm going to mark it right here. And after that, make a nice curve right there. And grab your scissors, cut the fabric. Open it up and you have a circle, and then grab your needle, make a knot at the end, and then I'm going to run simple stitch all around the edge. Just start from here quickly. Okay, now we get to the end here. Open it up a little and we're gonna stuff some sponge inside. Okay, and now you can pull the thread all the way like this. try to hold it, and now it's tight, so just close it up. Make sure it's not coming apart. And that's it. Cut the thread and make it nice and around here, just moving your sponge around. Okay, this looks pretty good to me. Now you just put your cushion into your can like this. Okay, just push the edge in, make it nice. Okay, and after that I'm going to put my little pom-pom around on the edge like that, so to make it more stronger, so I'm going to put some glue right on the edge here. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and just start from here and basically tuck it in all the way around. And that's it. Here you have it. And it's done. It's very cute. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for more sewing hacks videos to come. And thank you for watching. This has been Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.